Did you know that there's a tool that every law enforcement officer carries that can actually be a hindrance and a barrier between a great relationship between them and their family and children? The handcuffs. What do I mean by that? Are you a law enforcement officer that has the priority of making as many arrests as you possibly can? It's a noble thing to want to solve crimes and to take bad guys off the street. But is that your number one top priority, that you want to become a legacy with your department and forget your family? You know, there's 4 priorities that I live by that I'd like to share with you. God first, family second, work third, and church is last. And what do I mean by church last? Church is 7 days a week, folks. There's nothing wrong with going to church on Tuesday or Thursday, but you just need to go and be that godly leader and example in your family. The Bible says that sons are a heritage from the Lord and children are a reward to Him. Don't make your priority making arrests at work. There's nothing wrong with doing your job and doing a good job, and you should be a godly example to your work and do the best job possible, because that's what you're getting paid for. But let me leave you with this wise saying for cops. It goes something like this. If you develop into a legacy with your department, will you become just a memory to your children? Just something to think about.